how to make a 2x2 wide piston door. So, to get started, we are going to need 2 redstone torches, then we're going to need oak pressure plates, then we're going to need 24 redstone dust and 4 sticky pistons, and then any block of your choosing. Okay, so now we are going to place 2 sticky pistons right there, and we're gonna need 2 blocks on that side, so make sure there's room for that. We're gonna have 4 blocks away from each other. Place 2 blocks on each side, like so. And now we're gonna place 2 redstone dust on each top of the 2 blocks. And then when we have that, we're gonna place 2 blocks on the inside of each one of the sticky pistons. We're going to place 2 blocks right there, and 2 blocks on the other side. Break 1 block in and place a redstone torch, like so, on each side, like I just showed you. Now, we're going to break until we reach the other side, which may take a couple seconds, so let's give that a second. And now we are here, and then we're going to grab our redstone dust, place it all the way to the other side, and then we are gonna need to place 2 blocks right there. Break 2 blocks in, place them in right there, and then we're gonna get out of that. We're gonna use our oak pressure plates, and then, well, you can use any pressure plate, but oak pressure plates, and then we're gonna fill those in, and then we have it all done. So, there you go. Voila, all done.